now it's telling us to try searching to get started. So let's try and search some videos. Hello guys and welcome to AI Plus More. It is Kim once again, back with another simple tutorial. This one is very easy. It is about how you can turn on or off your incognito mode on your YouTube app on mobile. So let's head over to our YouTube app. What am I watching? Oh no, oh my god, sorry about that. I think I just revealed something bad to the public. I'm gonna get fired for this. Alright, enough of the joking. Right now I am currently logged into my account and I can see what I have watched here in my history. And the fact is, the history that I have on my phone, since I'm logged into the TV down below, that would mean everyone can see what I'm watching, including the explicit ones. Oh no! But we don't want anyone else to see what we're watching. So what we need to do is turn on our incognito mode. And I think you've had a glimpse of it a while ago. We have to go to you here on the bottom right, and then you'll see here, turn on incognito. Click on it, and then you are now in incognito mode. And now it's telling us to try searching to get started. So let's try and search some videos. Hello! I hope there's a video called hello. So any of these videos that we watch now won't be saved in the history of our account. But the thing is, if you're trying to watch any adult related content, which I hope you're not what you're doing this for, then you need to stop it. It won't work. For you to be able to watch mature rated content on YouTube, you have to be logged in for them to confirm that you are an adult or a mature person. Alright, enough of that. Let's now show you how to turn off incognito mode. It's simple. You just go back to you again and then click on this big button in the middle of the screen. Turn off incognito. And we're back to my account, to the normal YouTube app. That is it. I hope this video helped you, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye! Hello guys, once again this is Kim, and I would like to thank you all for watching this video, but don't forget to subscribe to the channel to get more free tutorials for your everyday needs. And come on, once again, let me tell you, it's free, okay? So if you change your mind, you can always unsubscribe later on, but I would suggest not to do that. Please, 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 please.